Good day, everyone. In this video, we will demonstrate our newest mini mobile DVR. Because of the size of the MDVR, having a vehicle surveillance system can be cumbersome. Some mobile DVRs are designed to be larger in order to accommodate all of the features that the fleet or vehicle may require. Fortunately, a smaller version of the mobile DVR is now available on the market, having the same characteristics and qualities, but in a smaller size. This is ideal for small to medium vehicle installations, because it takes up little space when stored or installed. QOHO manufactures one of the market's smallest MDVRs. With dimensions of only 35mm wide, 75mm long, and 55.7mm tall. The MDVR 101M can accommodate 1 to 4 channels. This small MDVR is also powered by artificial intelligence, supporting ADAS, DMS, and BSD features for more convenient and safe travel. The MDVR 101M, like the standard mobile DVR, includes GPS, 4G connectivity, and Wi-Fi. It can also be modified using mobile phones. It can hold up to 512 GB on 2 SD cards. And it can provide up to 2K or 4 megapixel resolution for better coverage of the road and vehicle surroundings. In this section, we will demonstrate the MDVR 101M vehicle surveillance system. That concludes today's video. I hope this captivated your interest. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more information and product updates. See you all again soon.